If you want to cancel your Hotels.com free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure that you do it correctly and avoid any unwanted charges. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hotels.com website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option labeled Account or Profile in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, locate the section that details your subscriptions or memberships. This is where you can view your current trial status. Step 4. Select Cancel Trial. Look for the option to cancel your free trial. Click on it and follow any prompts that appear to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, make sure to check your email for a confirmation message from Hotels.com. This will ensure that your trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Hotels.com free trial before any charges occur.